Jamie Gal, and I'm your host for Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. And our studio back in Atlanta has been destroyed by Hurricane Gerard, so we have no technology. And so we will be filming this week's episode into an empty room in a public library. Please forgive us, and thank you for your cooperation. Hello, I'm Jamie Gal, the host of Who Wants to Be a Millionaire here in Atlanta, Georgia. And over here we have our new contestant, and her name is Agnes, and she is from Clearwater, Florida. And right now we are in Atlanta, Georgia, and we are about to start our new season of Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. Woo! Agnes, how much money do you want to win? $1 million. Well, good luck, honey. Let's get started. That was good. Hello, Agnes. Are you ready for your first question? I think so, yeah. Okay. A virus is surrounded by a protective protein called a neuron, B, a capsid, C, dysentery, or D, cilia.
I'm pretty sure it's not A, being neuron, because it's about the brain, and I don't think it's C because dysentery is with a disease, so I'm going to have to go with B, a capsid.
You are correct. You just earned $100.
Woo!
Now, question 2. Are you ready, Agnes?
Yep.
Okay. Both bacteria and viruses reproduce by asexually, B, binary fission, C, asexually, or both A and C?
I think I'm going to go with C, asexually.
You are correct. You've just earned $200. Now, question 3. Are you ready, Agnes?
I think so.
Okay. Viruses reproduce by A, infecting the host cell, B, dividing in a cell, C, binary fission, or D, dying.
I think it's A, infecting the host cell, because this process happens by inserting the genetic material in it, and then it causes it to fool the cell to create more viruses until so many are created that the cell pretty much bursts. So.
Oh, okay. So is that your final answer?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's A, infecting a host cell.
And you are correct. You just earned $300.
Woo!
Now, question 4. Bacteria have a very small structure and a simple one. However, they do not have A, neurons, B, cell wall, C, nucleus, or D, a membrane.
I'm going to have to go with D, a membrane, because I'm pretty sure that everything has a nucleus, so D, membrane.
Okay, and you are correct. You just earned $500.
Yay!
Now, question 5. Agnes, are you ready?
I think so.
What types of diseases are antibiotics used for? A, viral infections, B, bacterial infections, C, both A and B, or D, rhinovirus?
I'm 100% positive that it's A, viral infections.
Are you sure? I'm positive. You are wrong! You've just lost $1,000.
I read it. I read it on Wikipedia.
No, you were
Wikipedia
wrong.
is always right.
You're wrong. I'm sorry. Please leave our set. Hello. As you all know, I am your host of Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. And as you all know, Agnes Balawaska has just lost. And she was up to $1,000, but she lost. And so now we have a new contestant, and his name is
Danny Martin.
Where are you from, Danny?
Chicago.
How much money do you want to win?
Everything.
Really? So you want the big million?
Yeah.
Great. Good luck. Let's go.
Thanks.
Hello, we have a new contestant, Danny Martin here from Chicago. Danny, are you excited?
Yeah.
Great. Let's win $1 million. Your first question is, why can't antibiotics work on viruses? A, because of POFA, B, because of membranes, C, because of their ribosomes, or D, because of their nucleus?
Well, I know that antibiotics do work on bacteria, and the difference between bacteria and viruses are that viruses have a membrane. So I'm going to go with B, membranes.
You are correct. You just won $100. Next, question 2. Danny, which groups of immune cells specialize in eating bacteria, viruses, or dead cells? A. T cells, B. Phagocytes, C. B cells, or D. Macrophages?
Well, I know that it's not macrophages, and I know that T cells are used to destroy viruses, and I know that B cells create antibodies, so it has to be B.
Question number 3. Whose task is to activate B cells and killer T cells? A. Phagocytes, B. White blood cells, C. Helper T cells, or D. The brain?
C. Helper T cells.
Wow, you are correct. You just won $300. Next, viruses and bacteria are 100% bad because they cause diseases. A. I don't know. B. Answer D. C. False. D. True. What is your answer?
I do know that bacteria produce essential vitamins for us. They also help with digestion, and they help destroy harmful organisms, while weakened viruses help us make vaccines. So I'm going to go with C. False.
You are correct. You've just earned $250,000. Next, so you are now up to $125,000, Danny. The next question is, where are antibodies released from? A. B cells?
A. B cells.
Wow, you were correct. Next, last question. Viruses cause diseases by...
I know this for a fact. Destroying cells.
Oh my God, you're a millionaire!
Yeah.